Welcome back, guys. In this session we're going to talk about images, but in this lesson we're going to talk about stock photos. So as an element of design, we have to work on images, we have to work on photos, quite alright. So what we're going to do now is we're going to try and talk about stock photos. Stock photos are photos you use in your design without having to get the license or having to do photo shoots, because there are needs for different industries. Depends on the industry you are, would need original photo shoots, so you have to do photo shoots to create designs. But when you are working for like a digital brand, or you need some photos to make your design exciting, you have to use stock photos. So what we're going to do now is to look for stock images on Google. Just look for stock images. You see different websites that offers stock photos and stock images, so you can use any of those websites to download any of the stock photos without having to worry about copyright or no copyright. So that's what stock images are. Stock images are used for commercial purposes, like you use them without having to get sued or get queried for using them. So I'm going to use this first website, Pixels, and we have Unsplash. So these are websites you get stock photos from. You can use any of the photos you get from these websites. I'm going to use Freepik as well, so you can do more research. I'm going to drop more articles on stock photos. So there are a lot of websites where you can get stock photos from. Pixels is one of them, Unsplash is one of them, and Freepik is one of them as well. You can get a whole lot of things, not just stock photos. You can get a whole lot of things, but right now we're talking about images. These are the simplest of ways you can get photos. For instance, if you like this beautiful photo and you want to use it for maybe an agricultural design, you can easily click on it and download it for your per user. So I'm going to download this. I have this downloaded already because it's a stock photo I love and I want to use it in my design maybe later on. So I have it downloaded right here. So you can go to Unsplash as well and download different kind of thing depending on what you want to work on. You can do all those things. You can do a whole lot of downloads, and you can search for, maybe you have a particular thing you want to work on. Maybe you want to work on a tech brand. You can just put tech or put computer or put anything. So you see different photos for tech brand, and you're going to use them for your perusal. You can just look at it and just go through it and see the one that will suit the design you want to work on. So these are free tech photos, and these are what stock photos are all about. Stock photos are all about commercial usage, and you will not be queried for it. You don't have to worry about copyright. That's what stock photos are. So you can look at a whole lot of stock photos. I've downloaded one already. You can check these other platforms and see the one you can download and use for your brand. Search for whatever you want to do. If it's food design you want to do, just look for food and it's going to bring the photo, then you just download. Okay, that's what stock photos are all about. I hope to see you in the next lesson, where I'm going to show you how to import and place images on CorelDRAW. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.